Good morning, guys. I just got a Gopro Hero 7. I just wanted to try this out, especially the new Hyperlapse mode that they've been talking about. This is supposedly a time lapse with much more smoother version of the time lapse.
3-4.
Right. Talk to ground.
3-4, make your first right, which would be Bravo.
PC ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp. VFR departure to the north. We have information Quebec.
66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree ground. Runway 21 right. Taxi via Delta and Echo. Advise the frequency run up complete.
Delta Echo 221 right and advise run up complete 66 Romeo Delta. Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, holding short 21 right.
66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, roger. Wind 2704, runway 21 right, clear for takeoff. Right turn out to the north approved.
Clear for takeoff and right turn to the north approved for 66 Romeo Delta, thank you, see you. Cherry County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, departs the area to the south, Cherry County.
Center Mike uniform made outside of class Bravo airspace, frequency change approved.
Yes, bye-bye. Peachtree Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, voltage to the north, inbound with information Quebec.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peach Tower, roger, right in.
Ident for 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, I didn't observe, enter a 5-mile final, runway 21 right, report 5 miles.
Report 5 mile final for 200, 66 Romeo Delta.
Almost 1031, turn right at Bravo, cross 21 right, taxi straight into the ramp on my frequency today. Number 6 Romeo Delta, the previous call Cessna traffic is now 11 o'clock and 4 miles. North-northeastbound output indicates 3,500. If you remain on that heading, you will pass behind them.
66 Romeo Delta will remain on this heading for now. 6 Romeo Delta, I think you have the traffic inside.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, roger, runway 21 right, cleared to land, wind 2304.
200 clear to land for 6 Romeo. Hey, landing, make sure fuel pump on. Landing lights on, nav lights off. And main buildings, my 2 o'clock position.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, traffic. Let's see, 1-2 miles east of the field westbound to TBM 4000, descending inbound parallel runway.
Looking for the traffic, 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, the TBM Tiger, 12 o'clock at 7 miles. On about a 2 mile final parallel runway, altitude indicates 1,700.
Alright, still searching Bravo Tango.
Wind 290 at tree. Ground at 6 Romeo Delta, traffic no factor.
Thank you.
Altitude alert, remember 0 Bravo Tango, check your altitude immediately, peace trail, altimeter 3012.
Alright, I've got the field side and visual.
Thank you. Remember 6 Romeo Delta, turn right at Foxtrot, ground is 0.6, have a good day.
Alright, Foxtrot, contact ground 6 Romeo Delta, thanks for your